Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the radiator on a Dodge Charger. First, let's prepare for the job. You'll need basic tools such as a 10mm socket, pliers, and a large drain pan. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is completely cool before starting. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Finally, use a floor jack to lift the front of your vehicle, then secure it firmly, with jack stands for a stable working environment. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Place your large drain pan directly under the radiator's drain plug, usually found on the bottom passenger side. Open the plug and allow all the coolant to flow out completely. The entire system holds about 11 quarts. Next, use pliers to loosen the clamps and carefully remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical connectors, especially those leading to the fan assembly, to free up the radiator. With the coolant drained, it's time to remove the old radiator. Begin by taking out the air intake housing to give yourself more room to work. Next, unbolt the fan assembly. You'll typically find it secured with 8mm bolts. Carefully separate the AC condenser from the radiator, as they are often mounted together. Once everything is disconnected, gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay, being mindful of any remaining connections. Installing your new radiator is the reverse of removal. Carefully lower the new radiator into its designated mounting position. Reattach the AC condenser, securing it with its bolts. Now, reconnect all the radiator hoses, ensuring the clamps are tight, and plug in any electrical connectors you previously removed. Finally, refill the cooling system with approximately 11 quarts of a 50-50 coolant and distilled water mix, then bleed any air from the system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.